Alright, so this is the follow-up. If you watched my previous video, you saw I just made a whole bunch of JB Weld, and that wasn't by accident. I just showed you how to repair the bell housing on the Aurora 100. I had a bell housing that came away from the center shaft, so if you want to take a look at that video, click the link in the top right. But this video is actually I'm gonna try a new technique to repair the Aurora frame. So in my original video, I showed you how I added basically some popsicle sticks, top and bottom, to give the frame some more rigidity. I had a couple comments, people saying there's new frames out there, which I actually just ordered because I broke this. But while that's coming, I figured I'd give it a shot and see if we can give this a good old fix. So when I inevitably break the next frame, I'll have one good to go, or 50% at least. Maybe not as good as the thicker ones, but we'll give this a shot. So I have some extra JB Weld here, and I'm going to try and JB Weld my arm back together, and I'm actually going to fill in these extra reliefs that they cut in the carbon fiber, see if that helps at all or what it does. So I first started by taking a piece of electrical tape and putting it on the top of the frame so that I'll have a decent surface finish on the top, because I have a feeling it's going to be a little bit messy. And then I'm basically just going to take JB Weld and fill in these holes and then place it on a level surface and push it together and let it cure, and we'll see how it works. So I mixed, oh, this is already set. I need more JB Weld. Boy, that doesn't take long to cure. Pretty good. So I'm just gonna start to fill in the cracked area. And then I'm also going to cover the cracks that I made in the frame. And now I'm just going to basically take all the rest and pile it on, and it'll be thicker on the bottom here, but that should give it a little bit more rigidity. Now I'm just going to set it on a level surface and straighten out the arm, push it together, wiggle it around a little bit, make sure I can get as much epoxy in all the areas, and then we're not going to touch it. So I just set it here on the edge of the table. I used a little blue sticky tack to hold it down, but that should keep it flat enough as it cures, and we'll see how it does.